I know that I know that machine learning is about making computers learn from data, but I'm curious about the actual process. How does it work from start to finish?
Great question. Machine learning does follow a process, and it's actually pretty logical when you break it down. Let me walk you through it step by step. The first step is data collection. This is where we gather a large amount of data, which will be used to train the machine learning model.
So data is like the foundation for everything.
Exactly. The more relevant data we collect, the better the model can learn. Think of it like a student. The more study materials they have, the better prepared they are. Once we have the data, we move to data preparation. Here, we clean the data by removing errors, duplicates, and filling in any missing information. We also structure it properly to make it usable.
So we're basically making sure the data is high quality.
Yes. If the data is messy or inaccurate, the model won't learn effectively. Think of it like organizing study notes before an exam. Next is choosing a model. There are many types of models, and each one is better suited for different types of tasks. For example, if we want to categorize emails as spam or not, we'd use a classification model.
Oh, I see. So it's like picking the right tool for the job.
Exactly. Different models are designed to handle tasks like classification, regression, or even clustering data. Then comes training the model. We feed the prepared data into the model, and it starts to learn patterns from this data.
So this is the learning part of machine learning.
Exactly. During training, the model adjusts itself to recognize patterns in the data. It's like a student practicing over and over until they understand the material. After training, we need to test how well the model has learned. This step is called evaluation. We use new data the model hasn't seen before, to see how accurate it is.
Like a practice test to see if the student really understands.
Perfect analogy. Evaluation helps us check if the model is performing well and identify any areas where it might be making mistakes. Finally, we get to prediction. Once we're happy with the model's performance, we can use it to make predictions on real-world data.
So this is where the model actually does its job in the real world.
Exactly. It's like the student graduating and applying what they've learned